for us because 1 year of 100% dedication. I keep telling people, especially the IT BT industry, if you want to make that passive income, here you can see lakhs together of investment. All you need to do is invest 1 lakh, but you will get minimum of 5 lakh rupees if you do it individually in 1 acre. So in 1 acre of land, you can have 1,000 banana plants, out of which you can average around 10 kgs. People are expecting in chemical farming. Even after investing lakhs together, you will not be able to 100% satisfy yourself because the failure is maximum in chemical farming. But here what I'm trying to tell you guys is, with natural farming, all you need to do is the entire 1 year of expenses will be around 1 lakh rupees, but end of the day, if you get average around 50 to 80 rupees. See, today we are harvested and today's rate is 80 rupees per kg. So you can see the quality of the banana here. It is first quality, ultimate. This is what everybody is trying to get, but unfortunately in chemical farming you will not be able to harvest such 100% export quality Elakki banana. So here I am teaching you guys with step-by-step instructions. You can just download the app. You can become a successful farmer with 5 years of experience. Thousands of farmers have already been successful like this. This particular farm is 20 acres. Mr. Chinswami Vadgere, which is near Chamrajnagara. So what I'm trying to tell you is, with just 1 lakh of investment, you can become a successful farmer. We are doing around 25 to 30 acres per acre. Even if the price is 50 rupees today, the actual price is 80 rupees and the average he's getting is 12 kgs plus. So what we are trying to tell you is, minimum of 5 lakhs is 100% confirmed. If you're lucky enough, you can get up to 8 lakh rupees. Just 1 year in 1 acre. So agriculture is always profitable if you do it in large scale. Like me, I just started with 1 acre in 2020. After COVID, I started agriculture. You have seen all the history. Please go to YouTube and see all the videos in the YouTube. Success is 100%. All you need to do is download the First Earth app in Play Store, install in your Android, step by step instructions throughout the year. You need not get confused, and you need not go to a fertilizer shop or somebody else to know. Everything is taught. First Earth app will solve you, will make you rich. Somebody who's interested in doing passive income in agriculture, please contact me. Thank you very much.